In this video, we'll be going over the process of changing speeds for the OptimumCNC plasma system. To access the speed menu, go into the Advanced tab from the top ribbon. Here we will have the speed settings for your cut speeds, rapid speed and acceleration, jog speed, simulation speed, arc speed, probe speed, as well as other parameters such as slow height or slow movement height, arc diameter for the slow movement around the diameter of the arcs, etc. So for instance, let's say that we'd like to change our jog speed to perhaps be at 200 for X and Y. Then we can see that once we start moving in the X or the Y direction, our jog speed will be equal to 200. Let's now say that we want to change our simulation speed to 150. Once we run the simulation, we can see that the machine will begin moving at a speed of 150. Thank you for watching.